Hey you guys, welcome back. Today I'm using my March budget kit. I've already, let me zoom out a little bit. I've already added everything pretty much in here. So it's basically two parts so far to this kit. I will be adding more, but this is pretty much the mini kit, and I believe that you can use this in your mini or your personal. But I like to use it in the deluxe. So that's why I said I'm adding to it, because I may add the regular, these in the big form to go here for those who don't want to use the mini part. But I like to use the mini part, I believe, so far. And then here, this is the weekly check-in. So I have week 1. I had started some others, and I've made some adjustments along the way. So I'm just going to do a quick overview. This is week 2, and then you'll come in with your income estimated actual. Oh, we don't need that. We need income total. Week 2. Oh, now I see the problem. So I was trying to figure this out, and I'm glad this happened on camera, because when I was setting up this kit, I really didn't have too much of a guide to go by. I kind of did, but I kind of didn't. So I was trying to basically make it work for me, because that's the whole point. So if no one buys it, you know, it still has to be functionable for me. So there we go. That's week 2, and then we'll do the week 3. Can you guys see? Let me zoom in a little bit. And if you all don't follow me on Instagram, I struggled until I got that silhouette right. So trust me, this is good. And then this is week 4. And then here is the total. And for real, the more I look at this, I think this is wrong. The more that I look at it. But we're going to find out. So for March, let's see. And did I talk about, yeah, here. So in your kit comes the headers here for March, and then you have this one. I'm thinking of some little payday stickers and things like that to put in here. And there's gonna, like I said, there's gonna be another part. Oh, here are, it is March expenses. Goes here. Let me flip it around. Oh, and also in my shop, I make these here for your planners. I'm gonna put that back in a second. And my stickers do allow you to peel them back up if you make a mistake, so they're not like stuck for life, and it won't tear your paper up. And when I redid it, I tried to do the measurements correctly. So let's flip this on out. So I'm thinking that I need to add some more to this kit. Okay, let's see. We have March expenses. Something's missing. Total expenses. Total expenses. So we have March expenses. March weekly budget. We did that. So, yeah. So this is your expenses page. This is the total expenses here. This portion here. depending on how many you have. For me, I don't have so far a lot of bills, so I can stop mine here. And there we have that. So I'm going to try to go over to here. So last month pretty much we did like $3,200 and something. I'm going to put in hair. I kind of messed up my sticker here, so I'm gonna start here. Hair estimated to be about let's go for $3,500, and then we'll see. And then here's some expenses. So again, you have the back part. If you want to use the bigger part of the kit, you can move that to the back as well. Expenses, budget, pretty much I have hair products. My budgeted amount for hair products is $200. I have cell phone bill. My cell phone bill is out of control, but I'm gonna, it's about $500 for the month that I'll be spending on my cell phone. Car note, it's $363 and some change, not sure. Car insurance is $215. And what else do I know? Now grocery, I'm going to put $120. And I'll tell you why that's so low at a later date. My husband contributes, so basically at the end, I do the last week of the month. Gas expenses. Gas really runs me, I'd say for the month, about $75 because gas lasts me for like 2 weeks. I just go to work pretty much at home. I'm gonna put down miscellaneous, about $100. That's like just whatever. Sometimes I go to the grocery store and get soda, drink, water, whatever. And what else? I think that's it. I'm gonna leave, before I put down total, I'm going to leave it for right now. I'm gonna move this over a little bit. My fixed expenses, oh, I forgot. Fixed expenses is booth rent. Let me get my calculator, which I kind of know what it is. It's almost $840. That's $210 a week. Uh-oh, $210 a week. Is $840. That's how much I pay in booth rent a month, is $840. And then I pay Aflac a month. Sometimes it go up if we have a 5th week, but pretty much $30. Car note, that's over there. I may still leave that here. My cell phone bill is not fixed because it just depends. I don't know. I gotta get that under control. That's one of the things I'm trying to get under control. And car insurance, that's $215. And here I can put other expenses, variable expenses, which is like, it just depends. Over here I'm put on Posh. I want to make at least $75 with Posh this month. I did pretty good last month. What else? Oh, my store, NorasCove. I'd like to do $100. That's hardly anything. I'd like to do more than that, but yeah. So this is pretty much my budget for the month of March so far. We'll do a check-in maybe the middle of March. So let's go to week 1. And I like to do the week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 personally, because that's pretty much how I plan. So for hair, week 1, that first week is always I'll just put about $600. That's all I know. So I'm gonna leave it right there for week 1, and then we'll just do a check-in at the end of the week, okay? Well, yeah, at the end of the first week of March. So that concludes my video. Again, I'll leave a link to my store at the bottom where you can purchase these. I have other little things, little trinkets as well, bookmarks, bows, and the budget kits will be there. And I'll do a real full-on video of the budget kits. That way you all can see how to use them, how I put it in my book. But this is April's kit here as well, and they're like the little bronze rose gold bees. And that's that. So thank you all so much for stopping by, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.